Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the features and performance of the Ainilaily rolling adjustable stool. If you're in the market for a comfortable, heavy-duty stool for your workspace, whether it's a medical office, tattoo studio, salon, or even just your home office, this might be the one for you. Let's start with the basics. The seat cushion on this stool is large, measuring 15.7 inches in diameter and boasting a thickness of 4.7 inches. Trust me, that extra padding makes a noticeable difference, especially if you're spending long hours seated. Plus, with its round shape and faux leather material, it's not only comfortable but also easy to clean. Now, let's talk about mobility. The wheels on this stool roll smoothly and quietly, without scratching the floor. Whether you have hardwood, tiles, or any other surface, you can move around freely without any hassle. And speaking of freedom, the adjustable height feature adds even more versatility. With a range from 22 to 30 inches, you can customize it to fit your specific needs and use it in various settings. Durability is always a concern, especially with something you're going to be using regularly. But fear not, because the Ainilaily rolling adjustable stool is built to last. Its sturdy aluminum chrome legs provide excellent support, with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic legs that break easily. This stool is in it for the long haul. Assembling furniture can sometimes be a headache, but not with this stool. No tools are needed, and the package includes clear instructions to guide you through the process. You can have it set up and ready to use in just a couple of minutes. In summary, if you're in need of a comfortable, durable, and versatile stool for your workspace, the Ainilaily rolling adjustable stool ticks all the boxes. With its large seat, smooth mobility, adjustable height, sturdy base, and easy assembly, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their seating situation. So why wait? Treat yourself to the comfort and convenience you deserve with the Ainilaily rolling adjustable stool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.